Hi, it's me, Custom Cruise. You can see here, very slow job, but basically the roof were leaking on the Sprinter. So basically I've got all me doing a bit at a time. Okay, there's about a third of the front of the left hand side. You can see here, this is obviously where I've sprayed the front, which is quite bad, which is why I did it, because I've had a problem with the windscreen leaking. So the idea was actually to, you know, to spray that, but that's half the windscreen done. You can see that looks pretty cool. Okay, and also it will obviously stop the water getting in. Come around this side. I mean, this thing's done 400,000, so obviously it needs some TLC. Also, the roof up there was obviously pretty rough on the top, been leaking where they join together the panels. So basically I've used the sprayers have got some stuff it's like a tiger seal, but it's for painting, and it's actually flexible, so it's better than the old rubber seam sealer, which does come away. So basically, as you can see here, I've got all the gear here. Got a stone chip on the roof first, then some paint, which is obviously quite a big job, because you've got to rub it down first with this amazing DeWalt sander. This thing's fucking awesome. This thing here is fully battery powered, will last for ages. Orbital sander, absolutely amazing. There's all the 2-pack paint, etc., which you officially can't buy anymore, but it is amazing. Much better than that modern shit, the water-based crap. You can see here the van, 400,000 miles, it needs saving. So, and also it's part of me. So, just shows you can keep an old Sprinter 400,000 miler in very good condition. Okay, just keep replacing the panels for what they cost you peanuts to buy a new panel. The doors are 300 quid each in white. And basically all I've done is put the stickers on and lack it over. Side loading door, that was 300 quid. But the build quality on these old vans compared to the new ones is unbelievable. The new ones really are crap. Then you got all this stupid limp mode crap, which again is something I'm just not into limp mode, I'm afraid. Okay, so if you want any great stuff, I think it's RW Refinishers over the road from us. They're the people that supply the paint, all your fillers, whatever you need. Cracking guys. And only a small firm, so support them. Thank you.